Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 7 unknown things about Tesla, things that will surprise even the biggest Tesla fans. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Tesla was almost called Faraday. Did you know that Tesla wasn't the first name considered? Elon Musk and his team initially thought of naming the company Faraday after another famous scientist. But eventually, they went with Tesla, a tribute to Nikola Tesla, the inventor of the alternating current motor. Number 2. Tesla's first car wasn't the Model S. Many people think the Model S was Tesla's first car, but it wasn't. Tesla started with the Roadster in 2008, a high-performance electric sports car built on a Lotus Elise chassis. This car laid the foundation for everything Tesla is today. Number 3. Tesla's name was bought for $75,000. Tesla didn't originally own its iconic name. It belonged to a company in Sacramento, and Musk had to negotiate for months to buy it, for $75,000. Without that deal, we might be driving an Edison instead of a Tesla. Number 4. Tesla has its own AI chip. Tesla doesn't rely on external companies for AI chips. They develop their own custom hardware to power their autopilot and full self-driving features. This makes Tesla unique in the automotive industry, where most companies outsource such technology. Number 5. Tesla cars can dance. Here's a fun one. Did you know Tesla cars can dance? The Model X, for instance, has a holiday light show mode where it flashes lights and moves its doors to the beat of music. It's a party on wheels. Number 6. Tesla's gigafactories are massive. Tesla's gigafactories are some of the largest buildings in the world. The Gigafactory in Nevada, for example, spans over 5.3 million square feet and is powered entirely by renewable energy. Number 7. Tesla cars have secret Easter eggs. Tesla loves surprises. Their cars are packed with Easter eggs, like Mars mode, where the navigation shows you driving on Mars, or Santa mode, which turns your car into Santa's sleigh on the display. Keep exploring. You never know what you'll find. And there you have it. Some unknown things about Tesla that make it more than just a car company. If you learned something new today, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which fact surprised you the most. See you next time.